guys, welcome back to another vlog right here at Archfield Drift Park for a pretty sick event. So for this event, it's mainly JDM here, and you have to have a registered car. So you have to drive the car to the event and then drift. I don't know about the rules about driving home, but you definitely have to drive here with registration. So we are in Queensland, so it's a lot easier to register some of these cars because, yeah, if you know, you know. But we're out here, sick turnout. Hayden from Kamikazes managed to pull his 34 and fixed it. It was actually the coil packs if you were following along with that. So he sorted his car out, which is super exciting to see that thing rip. The JZ sounds absolutely insane. Bunch of fully sick cars out here, really nice build. So here's some fully sick content, check it out.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, he is. Like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Bro, running through the shit like a motherfucking day.
If you had the chance, would you take it? I've run so far, but been patient. Times have changed, but stayed patient. Sold drugs like a doctor, my patience. If you had the talent, would you make it? Probably not, cause let's face it, talent's not what it takes to be famous these days. It is all created. People wanna know how I did what I did, but I just did me until I won. Say you wanna move like a king, but don't know shit, still living like a bum. Said he wanna move with a team, but he got a reputation for being dumb. Asked if he can leave with a pin, come back and pay for it when he's done. Look, if you don't have the cash up front, then please don't come where I stay, is what they would say to pour out Joe, they're cold in the pouring rain. Then cry when crime comes to their place, cause we need dimes to pay for the drugs they're giving away. Kinda funny how the cycle's working, ayy. I'm just trying to make it out, I'm sick of playing this game. I'm sick of writing it out on the same old fucking.
It's gotta be the best. Hey guys, just realized I completely forgot to do an outro for this video, so this is the outro now. Man, it was freaking good to go out to the track and like watch an actual event. It was a really sick event, all registered cars, and yeah, it was pretty sick. Really good driving. Some of those guys, man, like that's goals right there. And also one other thing I wanted to say, there was one of you awesome subscribers came up to me to say hey, but I was in the middle of a really important conversation on my phone to do with a real estate agent, so I was really concentrating on that. Came across like I was being rude, but just so you know, I was stuck in a conversation that I had to have my full attention on, so don't feel like I wasn't interested in talking to you, but it was sort of bad timing. So one of those things with us content creators, we love talking to our followers and supporters, but if it's the wrong time, like we're kind of trying to do something, it's, I don't know, I was trying to get that done and then have a conversation with you, but you had to go, so it came across bad, but yeah, I was in the middle of something. I think you guys would understand what I'm trying to say, but yeah, I'm always down for a conversation, but if I'm on my phone, I'm probably doing something important. But yeah, thanks heaps for watching this one, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Super exciting, Matsuriya's next weekend. The countdown is on.